this tutorial, we will learn in this tutorial we will learn AutoCAD 3D basics tools. At first, start, change the workspace, go to workspace switching, change 3D modeling, click on 3D modeling. It will have all the 3D tools required to learn the 3D basics. These are all 3D tools to required to learn the 3D basics. Now, first of all, we have to change the view control from top view to southwest or southeast or northeast, or go to coordinates, change southeast isometric. It will convenient for all the diagrams because we have to see all the views in this southeast isometric. Click on southeast isometric. So now we have to change the UCS icon from X and Y direction to X, Y and Z axis. So we have to create a 3D object. So the UCS will be changed to X and Y to Z axis. So 3 dimensions, X, Y and Z, length, width and height. 2D means 2 dimensionals, only X and Y, that is length and width. So in this 3-dimensional object, we have to create length, width and height. So first of all, we have to draw a rectangle by using draw tools. Click on rectangle directly, or by using line command also we can create a rectangle. So I'll click on rectangle, specify the first corner point, draw a rectangle as per the dimensions, click on dimensions, specify the length of rectangle 50, specify the width of the rectangle 100, enter. Okay, we'll create a rectangle. Click on the, by using mouse, click on the workspace, enter. Okay, next this rectangle will be converted into a 3D object. Okay, go to modeling tools, click on press pull, select the cursor inside the object. Okay, inside the object, click on the cursor inside the object and will move up or will move down. Specify the extrusion height. I'll move upwards. Specify the extrusion height 15, enter. So I'll create a 3D object, but it cannot feel like a 3D object. Go to visual style, 3D visual style, go to 2D wireframe to shaded with edges. Okay, it feel like a 3D object. Now we have to create a hole here as per the requirements. So for example, go to solid editing, go to copy edges and select the edge, enter, specify the base, go to copy edges, go to copy edges again and select the edge, enter, and select the base point. This is my base point. I click here and specify the direction of the displacement. Okay, so I want to in this direction, the reference point will move on from here to here. Now Again go to copy edges, select the edge, enter, specify the base point of this. This is my base point, and specify the displacement direction. Okay, now we have to create a hole here. Go to draw tools and click on center width, center radius, draw a circle with a radius 4, enter. Okay, now we have to make a hole by using press pull command. The circle have 4 parts because of these lines. So first we have to remove these lines. Click on this line and click on this line. Delete, Ctrl Z. Click on this line. Click on this line. Press delete. Okay. Ctrl Z. Escape. Click on this line. Click on this line. Delete. Shaded with edges to 2D wireframe. We have to remove these lines. It will be clearly visible. I have to remove this line. Again we go to 2D wireframe to shaded with edges. Okay, now we make a hole by using press pull command. Click on press pull. The cursor will be inside of the circle. It will pull it outside. It will make a shaft. Click on inside of the object. Will make a hole. Okay, clear. Now you have to draw a rectangle over here. By go to draw tools. Directly go to rectangle. This is my starting point of the rectangle, and specify the other corner of the rectangle. This is my other corner of the rectangle. I'll make a rectangle. Again go to press pull. Take the cursor inside of the circle and give the extrusion height 22. Okay. In another way to draw a rectangle from this corner, draw the rectangle, draw a rectangle at outside of the object, our requirements. Okay. Now go to press pull, click on press pull and click on the cursor inside of the object and give the extrusion height. Okay, go to move command, select the object, select the move object, enter, click on base point, and move from this point. You have to click on the end point of the second point of the diagram. So now we have to delete this rectangle. So this is single object and this is these two are the separate object. This object will be converted into a single object. So we'll see how to convert it into a single object. These two objects will be converted into a single object by pressing go to solid editing, union, click on union command, select the object, select the second object, enter. So it will be converted into a single object. Okay, in the before we have to create a 3D diagram only by using this horizontal plane, and the length and width will be in horizontal plane, and the z direction will be in this, the z direction will be in this direction. So now we have to draw a diagram in right side plane and front side plane. So how to draw a diagram in right side plane and front side plane? Go to coordinates, set the coordinates, go to coordinates from right side. Okay, we have to draw a diagram on right side view. Click on right side. Okay, this is our right side view. So okay, observe it. So this is our right side view. Okay, only the selection portion is right side view. We have to create a circle on right side plane. Center with radius. Specify the center circle. Create a circle over here. Now we go to press pull command. Select the cursor inside of the object. We'll pull it outside. We'll make a shaft here. Okay. Now we'll work on this plane. And this means this is the front plane of our diagram. Again, go to coordinates. Change world to right side to front. Okay. Change the front plane. So observe here, the UCS will be changed like this. Okay, the icon will be changed from X direction and Y direction and Z direction like this. Okay, I can draw a rectangle here in front plane. I can draw a rectangle. Go to press pull command. Pull it outside. So this is a 3D diagram. So how to add the color for this 3D diagram? By click on, by double click on this diagram. Double click. Double click. Go to bilayer to change the color to yellow, or else go to press Ctrl 1. There is a color yellow to select colors, more colors. You have to change the color as per our convenient. Okay, I have to change the color like this. Close the window. I'll change the view from southeast to top view. So this diagram will see in top view like this. Okay, in left side view, click on right side view, click on front. Okay, we have to see front view like this. Okay, in all views we'll see in southeast or southwest direction. We have to observe all the views. Go to orbit. Go to orbit. Rotate the object. Rotate the view in 3D space with continuous motion by using this orbit. So the cursor will be changed in orbit style. Click and stop, go to escape. Southeast isometric. This is our simple 3D diagram.